What's going on YouTube, and welcome back to our channel here at Vagabond Builds. And today we're bringing you a product review video of the OEDROs or OEDRO floor mats for Tesla Model Y year 2020 to 2024. And we're going to be talking about these exact floor mats and how they fit inside this car, front, interior, and the cargo space. In this video, we appreciate you guys if you guys tap that like button and subscribe to our channel, because we truly appreciate you guys' support here at Vagabond Builds. And don't forget, if you want to save yourself some money and you're looking for some floor mats that'll protect your interior, use the coupon code in the description below and save yourself some money. Let's go ahead and get this video started. So everybody, what's coming to my mind? Why are you gonna need car mats in your Model Y 2020 to 2024? I don't know, maybe you're on the beach. Maybe you like to camp. I don't know, or maybe you just have a husband that is just filthy. I don't know, but you will need car mats if you wanna protect your interior. All right, now I have car mats in my car. The guy behind this camera has car mats in his car. And literally guys, you guys should get car mats because again, for the life of the interior of your car, these car mats will save it, okay? Let's go ahead and show you guys what the mats are going to come in and what it's gonna look like when they arrive to your doorstep. Now, OEDRO, I don't know, OEDRO, whatever you wanna call them, that's fine. Off-road 4x4, do it yourself. They give you an installation manual also. And if you have technical support, I have no idea why you would have troubles fitting in these mats or something. They literally have a number there, so they're not slying away from you or trying to hide from you of helping you out with their product. That does show very good, I would have to say, truth to the product itself, because they're actually saying, here's our number, call us if you have any problems, okay? Things I would like to mention that we're going to go over in this video. Are the mats durable, okay? Are they flexible? Is it easy installation? The fabric or the material that is used on these mats, the design of the mats, the contour or the fitting of these mats in this Model Y, okay? So what are we going to talk about? As we're putting this mat in, so this is driver's seat, okay? Things I want you guys to focus on is how this mat fits, all right? Or is this mat going to be durable in time? Is it going to last, or is it going to keep up with in and out of the car itself? But look how easy this installation is. Very flexible mat itself, okay? And the design is there. It does protect. Now, they were just coming out of the box, so they are going to be a little bit tweaked a little bit, but overall with the heat and the cold, they will fit perfectly. They're just kind of like bent around a little bit or whatnot. But look at the exact contour or the design, the precision designing that they get around to protect the carpet for this Model Y. Now, think about protection from sand, mud, dirt. Maybe you're spilling something. Maybe you're doing your makeup and, I don't know, your eyeliner or your gloss or whatever falls on the floor and you don't want it to hit your carpet or your mat, so you have to wash them. These mats are good. Again, what are they? They're very actually light. I want to mention to you guys that they are light, and they're actually made from a 3-layer process is what they're saying, okay? And this is kind of a rugged feel. I don't know if you could hear that in the video, but again, it's kind of a plastic surface, and you get like a foam, a soft foam in there, and then another hard plastic feel here with this little kind of dot design. But let's go ahead and show you guys what it looks like on the passenger side. Now, passenger side, let's fold this up, or it literally slips right in, and you're gonna go ahead and push that down, and just look at that design. Look at, there's no space in between the liner, or I mean the mat and the plastic trims, again, protecting your carpet. Just phenomenal look again. And you know what's cool is that it's kind of like a tub. It sits like a tub. So if you spill any water, any fluids, literally it would save your carpet, okay? You just take that out and you can actually wash them. I'm gonna show you guys a little later in this video if we throw some water on it. You might ask, what are these pieces for? Literally probably one of the few manufacturers that make liners for the front and the cargo area on the bottom area. And I'm gonna show you guys that. Let me go ahead and pop the front. So the front is open. And let's go ahead and show you guys that, let's say you like to put stuff here too as well. You're getting a very nice snug fit mat for that as well. So you're not scratching up the bottom of that plastic. Again, check this out, 6 pieces in total, everybody. So remember I was talking that, look, it was sitting in a box. So you guys are going to have to kind of understand that the fitting is going to have to just kind of, over time with heat and cold, it's going to kind of mold into place, if not now. But look how it hugs under the seats, comes around, hugs that little center console area, and then goes over to that passenger side area. And again, look how snug fit that is with regards to that design. All right, now let's go ahead and show you guys the cargo area. And this is another big mat that you're going to be liking to see in your car. Why is that? Because I'm an avid skier, so I'm always throwing my skis back here, and the edges of my skis or my friends' snowboards are always cutting up my carpets. These here are just phenomenal because they literally save your carpets from getting all cut up. And again, everybody, it saves it from dirt. Now, yes, this is literally going to have to just mold into place, but look how snug that is. It's kind of even hard to pull it out because it goes in so well. All right. Very cool, right? But check this out. Something that's also even more cool is that it actually has indentations for that fold. But we already set aside this cover here to show you guys what it kind of looks like with this cover protecting that lower area of that cargo space. Just phenomenal. So are they convenient? Yes, they are convenient. Do they seem like they're going to withstand time and beating up? Yes, they do. Are they light? Yes. Okay. I don't see these mats annoying you or folding or getting involved in as you're getting in and out of the car. So remember, if you do happen to shop for some mats on a 2020 to a 2024 Model Y Tesla, you can check out OEDRO or OEDRO. Save yourself some money with the coupon code in the description below, everybody. Remember that this coupon code is a limited time. Check that out. Make sure you're saving yourself some money so you guys, again, can enjoy a nice ride, but also clean. We appreciate you guys watching our channel here at Vagabond Builds. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out our other products at our channel at Vagabond Builds. We have more cool things coming, so keep watching. Thank you, and God bless you.